So, how cool is your ringtone? Mine? Not very. For the simple reason that I haven't gone online to download whatever it is the very latest. In fact, I'm not even sure who or what the very latest is. So when you call me, all I get is this delightful little Windows Mobile ditty, direct from Bill Gates' factory to my ears. That's not true of the teenagers who piled into the church this afternoon. They are an amazing tribe. Their phones ring loud, with much variety. They are constantly talking, constantly texting, constantly laughing. All the while they're hauling in loads of groceries for the food pantry. Yeah, that's why they were here. They took the better part of today out of their vacation, away from their camps, practices, rehearsals, laying on the beach time, to go to Aldi's, spend $1,000, make sure that when the food pantry doors are open to those in need, that need will be met. These kids, they're even cooler than their ringtones.